machine's got these speakers in it.
Yeah, he's gonna smash it. He wants to give a backstory first.
Yeah, wait. Are we ready?
I'm rolling.
All right, this is the Sony Dream Machine. It has a his and her alarm on it, and the time, and it compensates for daylight savings time. But it is so bright it lights up the bedroom at night. So what I did is I put a number 5 welding lens in front of it to dim it down to where you could sleep.
Whoa.
So if you have one of these, this is the key right here.
Gotcha.
All right, I think what we're going to do first is we're going to crush it and then finish it off with a hammer.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Yes. To the crushing station.
I think the hammer's on the sink.
Yes, it is.
Somebody's got to grab it. Okay, I'm going to get the plug, man. I don't know if it's a good idea with gasoline in here or not. Maybe a good idea to move the gas can out, you know?
Okay, gas can is getting out of here.
We won.
Can someone grab the hammer?
We won. We're done.
It's on the sink. Grab the hammer.
How do you play?
Okay.
You can just kind of toss it. Why do you need? Because they're on each side. It's like cornhole.
Should I go front to back or side to side?
Retirement boy's choice.
Can you take the glass off of here?
Okay, glass.
The welding lens is coming off.
Don't
Number
need it.
5.
Bye.
Welding lens.
Or it's like minus points. I don't think it's minus points. It's too hard.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll play.
Okay, I'm going to plug it in so you see the sparks. This is going to be a first.
This is the rite of passage.
This is gonna be a first.
This is a rite of passage into retirement. The smashing of the alarm
I'm going
clock.
to plug it in. We're going to watch it go sparky, sparky. It's plugged in right now.
Let's
Whoa.
see that.
See, it's plugged in.
Oh, I hear that radio going.
Oh, it's-
When's the crush? When's the...
Right now.
Thank God when winter comes around.
Maybe you should have it slow-mo.
Yeah, I
you're gonna
listen to
share
you guys
that
all the time on the voice line, and I haven't really
Here
heard
goes.
many people talk much about these motorcycles.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, crunch it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Okay, I think it's hammer
It's
time.
off. It's dead.
It's dead.
Okay, now I can smash
Hammer
it.
time.
I got the hammer.
Who's got the hammer?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're bringing it out.
Dead now.
It looks pretty crunched.
It's pretty good.
It turned off.
Oh my
Turned
god.
off.
We heard the
Crushed it.
sound
It
go
turned
off. Oh my god.
I crushed it. So it turned off.
That is hilarious.
Now we gotta smash that alarm.
Oh
Turned
my
off. Where's my
god.
sunglasses? So that
Oh yeah, protect your eyes.
Yeah, protect the eyes.
here's some. Where's my sunglasses?
Yeah, those are good. Oh, no.
Those are Lauren's.
Here's Dad's.
There they are.
Here's Dad's.
Oops.
Okay. Here's the glasses.
Oops. Look at the front of it. The display's kind of funny looking. The display's kind of funny.
Hammer was a big fucking sledge thing.
Oh, I gotta go for the big one.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what do they say? Go big or go home?
That's what they say.
Definitely don't go home.
Should I use the flat side or the wedge side?
That's up to you.
Flat.
side.
I would say the sledge side.
Or the cutting side?
Cutting side. Cutting side.
The cutting side, man.
Cut that down.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, did it in one.
There's a piece all the way over here.
There you go, man. Oh, look, there's the antenna.
There it is.
And here's the speaker. There's the speaker that woke me up every morning, right there. That's the speaker right there. There's the speaker.
Oh, that's so great.
Look at that.
No more.
It's
Anybody have a match
dead.
or a lighter? Grab
There's
the
a
lighter,
lighter
it's
in the
over there.
kitchen.
Grab
What
the
do we need a
lighter.
lighter for?
Well, burn the speaker.
It's not down.
no. That's like a fire. Aren't you
Yes.
afraid?
Are you afraid?
Burn the
I kind of just
speaker.
enabled him. I just handed him.
Did you give him the lighter?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
This
Burn that speaker.
is- Finish it up.
Let it burn. Oh my god. Will it really catch
Yeah.
on fire?
Oh yeah. Burn it.
Oh, come on, man. Don't tell me this thing's out.
It's telling you not to.
It's not lighting.
Okay, take the hammer to it, Dad.
Okay.
Just smash it some more.
Let's get another smash in.
We're okay. It's pretty smashed up.
Oh,
Smash that! Alarm! Oh my god.
Yeah!
There's the speaker. It's gone.
Yeah!
There it is.
All right.
Yay!
There it is.
Well done. No more alarm clock.
That's it, man. It's gone.
Woo!
Oh, look. There's the front of it.
Oh. That's right.
Look at that.
Oh my
No,
god.
no more.
No more alarm clock.
Where's the rest of it?
Well, there's a piece
Smash.
over here.
Smash it.
All right.
Smash it.
Look at that, man. Sony no
smashed.
baloney. Look, there's the station tuner.
Wow.
It's gone,
I'd
man.
say that is no Mickey Mouse.